Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Commerce online classes. So in the previous class we had discussed about the concepts relating to the public debt and fiscal deficit. Is the public debt is a burden? Is a public deficit leads to the or deficit financing leads to the borrowing requirement of the government? Let us discuss about the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act of 2003. In short, it is said to be the FRBMA. FRBMA. What is this FRBMA? Very important for 1 mark. Expand FRBMA. FRBMA means Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act. Budget Management Act. Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act. By the name itself, it says that its main aim is to maintaining the fiscal deficits of the country, revenue and expenditure of the country. It related to the responsibility is to maintain the government budget, managing the government budget. So by the constitution itself they made one act. It is said to be the FRBMA, in short, Fiscal Responsibility and Budgetary Management Act. So when it came into existence? So it came into existence during 2003. In the year 2003, FRBMA Act passed. FRBMA passed. So what is the main intention of this FRBMA Act? In short, we are calling it as FRBMA, Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act. What are the main aim of this Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act? So it provides the assistance for fiscal policy. There are three policy statements are there here. One is medium term fiscal policy statement. So what is this medium term fiscal policy statement means? So 3-year rolling policy, it is called as 3-year rolling policy. So it is having some targets to meet the fiscal deficit. 3-year rolling policy. First one, midterm fiscal statement or 3-year rolling policy. So here is some targets to the government. What are those targets? How to reduce the fiscal deficit, shortage of funds, revenue exceeds expenditure. It's very difficult to meet the country's welfare. How to reduce this fiscal deficit and what are the steps taken for reducing these fiscal deficits and what may be the result in future. 3 rolling statements includes. Understood? So the midterm fiscal policy statement set as 3 rolling targets, specific fiscal indicators, and also it examines whether the revenue expenditure can be financed through the revenue receipts. Main aim is to revenue expenditure should be financed through the revenue receipts. How it is possible means on the sustainable basis, means through the increasing the productivity of the country, increasing the investment in the country. Rolling policy includes three targets: increasing investment in the country, reducing public debt, and also reducing more expenditure, reducing government expenditure. And one more aim is to government expenditure should be filled with government revenue itself, These are the three main targets of the rolling policy, or the first main statement of FRBMA. Main aim is to reducing the public expenditure and filling that public expenditure with the public sources only. Either may increasing the tax, or it may increasing any kind of production that leads to the increasing export, it gives some more receipts, reducing the import. All are the main aim of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act. What is its main aim is how to manage the fund, how to manage the limited fund, scarce resource we have money, how to manage this money, that is the main aim. And how to utilize the borrowings, public borrowings, either it go for public debt or borrowings, how it go for using that particular borrowings, that may be the main target. And it also main aim is how to examine the current policy. Thus FRBMA in this includes mainly for this responsibility is managing the public debt and fiscal deficit and fiscal responsibility. So fiscal responsibility means how to manage. So in 2003 it passed, and first rolling is about rolling policy target is reducing public debt, increasing the taxes, and reducing expenditure and filling the revenue with the expenditure with filling government revenue. Second main target is related to the policy, monitoring the policies, how to monitor the policies. So already whatever the policy is there, for that policies it should go for making some changes, change in the current policies. Main aim is to make some changes in the current, means existing, present, current policies. Some policies are old and outdated, government following the same from the 50 years. So for that purpose in 2003 FRBMA Act passed to change something in the previous policies and make some changes even in the current policies and add something in the current policies relating to the how to increase the production, consumption, distribution, exchange, economic activities. So how to examine these current policies and justification, giving justification to the people. Important fiscal measures are taken by the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act. These are the main three rolling targets. What are the third target means? It also macroeconomic framework statement accesses prospects of the economy with respect to increase the GDP growth rate. Main target is increasing the GDP. When GDP increases, welfare of the country also increases, increasing the welfare of the people of the country. So Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act main aim is to balancing the economy through the finance, fiscal responsibility and managing the budget management. So in 2003 it came into existence. So there are three main rolling targets in this policy. First rolling target is reducing the public debt, increasing the investment, increasing the employment, creating employment opportunities, making reducing the public expenditure, and public expenditure should be filled with the public revenue itself. Whatever the expenditure is there, that should be filled by the direct or indirect tax sources or any other kind of financial sources. Second main rolling target is current policies. It should make some changes in the previous policies and implement some current policies and some issues in the current policies. And third main target of this FRBMA 2003 is, third main target is increasing the gross domestic product of the country. Increasing the gross domestic product is nothing but increasing the production of the country. Gross means total, I said. Gross means total, G means total, D means domestic, domestic means internal, G means gross means total, D means domestic means internal, P means product. Gross national product means total internal product produced in the country. Make in India process. It mainly focus on the Make in India process. Means FDI, foreign should invest directly in India. That will lead to increase our production. Our country capacity to produce increases. So when the GDP increases, listen here, in circular flow you studied, remember that when the GDP growth rate increases means production increases. Production increases. Production increases means automatically investment increased. Investment increases. Investment increases. Production increases. Employment opportunities. It creates more and more employment opportunities. Employment opportunity increases means people go for job and they can gain something called income. Thus income of individual increases. Income increases. Output also increases. Total production in the country means output increases. So output increases, income increases. When income increases, people go for purchasing, purchasing power parity increases, PPC increases, consumption increases. So increase in the GDP and increasing the welfare of the people, welfare of the country also increases. Thus, Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act of 2003 main aim is increasing the GDP and increasing the welfare or well-being of the society as a whole. Thank you.